What's up, everyone? This is Fearless Trader. Over the past few weeks, I've been building a local execution bot that connects TradingView webhooks directly into TopstepX using the official ProjectX API tool. This is not a signal bot, it's not a copy trading tool, it's purely an execution layer for traders who already have their own system. So at a high level, this is just an execution layer. TradingView controls the logic, timing, and alerts, right? The bot simply listens for the webhook and executes the order into TopstepX using their API provided with the integration with ProjectX. That means in reality I control the strategy, I control the alerts, and I control the risks, which I let TopstepX handle my TP and SL. And then the bot also supports the long and short of the execution. It automatically resolves the active contracts for things like MES, NQ, ES, MNQ, etc. Supports single or multiple accounts and just uses broker side risk rules. Basically, you will set up a TradingView alert. You'll come down to your indicator, select buy or whatever your strategy is. My strategy I already have incorporated with the buy and sell webhook. Then you input your webhook URL, and that's the masterpiece right there from the webhook. It hits your two terminals. The webhook server, which will show your order sent, your order rejected, position confirms, and up here just letting you know your connection. This is the ngrok, showing you your connections, how many times the order has been sent, or successful hits, and then return errors if anything else. So that's pretty cool with the whole ngrok integration to be able to run it locally. Here is a live execution from earlier in the month. In a few seconds, you will see the order fire off with TradingView alert on the right side, then the bot terminal in the middle of the screen, and then the TopstepX on the left-hand side. Once this candle closes, we'll see. There it goes. There goes the alert. The bot terminal pushes the alert, and now the order sitting right there on the bid on Topstep. There it goes. It's in the position. And another cool feature that I added that's optional for people is to go ahead and have the alert also get sent to the Discord via webhook. It could be their Discord, it could be in my Discord, either way. So that's a cool feature to be able to see while on the go. And that's exactly how it behaves when the alert fires. Real execution, no simulation. This is not a signal service, it's an execution infrastructure for traders who already have a process or a strategy within their TradingView platform. If you want more details on how it works, the availability, the setup, you can find everything in the description below. I appreciate you watching. Have a good one.